All right, so this is a pretty straightforward question. It says the total cost in dollars for a trip in a taxi is given by this function. So f of x represents the total cost of the trip in the taxi. And it says where d is the distance traveled in the taxi. So you take how far you travel and plug it in and use this formula. It gives you the cost. So then it says use the function to determine the cost for a 12-mile taxi ride. So they're giving us the distance of the ride. All we have to simply do is just plug that in for D and do the math here, and that'll tell us the cost. So again, fairly straightforward question. So I'm going to write this in function notation just for practice because I know students don't always like it. Instead of writing y, I'm going to write f of 12 because 12 is what I'm plugging in. So that's where that 12 came from, was here. So that's my input is 12. And so 12 plus 1.25 times 12. So I multiply 1.25 times 12. And I forgot to do my calculator. So let's see. 0.25 times 12 would be 3. And so that would be equal to 15. So then I have 12 plus 15. And so that's 27. And that's your final answer. And this is a cost, so really you should either write it like that, or you can write it with the cents on there, 27.00. All right, so keep up the good work. You will master the math.